Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electronics and discussing the top 5 essentials that every enthusiast must have in their arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these essentials are indispensable for any electronics project. Let's jump right in. 1. Microcontroller. First up, we have the microcontroller, such as the popular Arduino boards. These versatile devices are the heart and soul of many electronic projects, allowing you to program and control various components with ease. 2. Soldering iron or soldering station. Next on our list is a reliable soldering iron or, even better, a soldering station. Soldering is a fundamental skill in electronics, and having the right tools can make all the difference in your projects. 3. Quality multimeter. A good multimeter is indispensable for any electronics enthusiast. Avoid those cheap yellow ones and opt for quality brands like Plus-Evo or Uni-T. A reliable multimeter helps you measure voltage, current, and resistance accurately, ensuring the success of your projects. 4. Bench power supply. Every electronics enthusiast needs a stable power supply for testing and powering their circuits. While you can also make your own power supply, it's important to stay safe and ensure proper regulation of voltage and current. 5. Breadboard. Last but not least, every electronics enthusiast needs a breadboard, or even better, 2 or 4 connected together. Breadboards are invaluable for prototyping and testing circuits without the need for soldering. They allow you to quickly iterate and experiment with different designs, making them essential tools for any electronics workshop. And there you have it, the top 5 essentials for electronics enthusiasts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your toolkit, investing in these essentials will set you up for success in your electronics journey. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering.